Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to easily manage your Android device on PC using MobiKin Assistant for Android software. MobiKin Assistant for Android is a powerful tool that helps you backup, restore, manage, and transfer various data on your Android device. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed MobiKin Assistant for Android software on your PC. Next, let's connect your Android device to the PC via USB cable. Open the MobiKin Assistant for Android software. It will automatically detect the Android device you've connected and display it on the interface. On the software interface, you'll see various options such as contacts, messages, photos, music, etc. MobiKin Assistant for Android provides functions like import, export, delete, edit, etc., making it easier for you to manage your Android device data.